Welcome back to our film series, filtering water sample using the SECN protocol. First, open your filtering supply box and assemble your filtering apparatus. Use a pair of tweezers. Put one filter on the lower housing before attaching the upper housing.
Yeah, and we should have that anchor regardless of whether it's a figure. So if there's a significant
The upper housing is a magnetic connection and sits right on top. Take the water sample out of the cooler or a refrigerator. Gently agitate it so that the water sample is a homogeneous mixture. With a small amount, rinse your graduated cylinder. And the upper housing, filter housing. Fill up the graduated cylinder. Recap and put the water sample in a cooler or a dark, cool place. Keep it out of the light. Squeeze the hand pump so all the water is pulled through the filter into the lower unit. Make sure all the water is pulled through. Release the pressure. Remove the upper housing. Discard the filter.
I mean, the thing is, though, too, is when I think about our network review, where Steve is thinking of spending way too much time and resources on water.
And use this water to rinse the lower housing. And discard that water. Now that everything's clean, reassemble the filter. Again, apply one filter.
What this lets me say is we mapped out the workload for our staff. We're not overextending ourselves, and we're explicitly mapping it in the report writing. So that's the first thing. The second thing is we broke out and
Only touch the edges of the filter with the tweezers so that no chlorophyll or anything that's been filtered out gets stuck to your tweezers. Reapply the upper housing. Gently agitate. filter approximately 300. This could be more or less depending on how turbid your water is, but the amount is very important. You must document how much water is pulled through the filter. Again, pull all the water through. While the water is draining through, you can set up your sample bottle. With the Sharpie, I'm going to write the site and date. Prepare one Ziploc bag, so we'll get the same site and date. And get one piece of aluminum foil ready. I make extras beforehand, so I don't have to deal with that right now. When all the water is pulled through, release the pressure. Move the upper housing. With the tweezers, and only touching the outside. Set the filter on the foil. We're going to fold it in on itself like a taco so that the two dirty sides touch each other and nothing touches the filter, but touches the foil. This can be to set it down in the bottom. I'm gonna make a little package. Fold the sides in. Fold the top down. We're gonna also label this with the site and the date and the amount filtered. This will go in the Ziploc bag to protect it. Put this in the freezer as soon as possible. And ready to decant our water sample now. Using a small amount of water from the flask, triple rinse your bottle. Third and final rinse. Depending on your sample bottle size, never fill to the very top. You need to leave room for expansion when it's frozen. It's not an issue with this size bottle. But if this is a smaller bottle, never fill it past the neck. This is ready to be put in the freezer. Make sure you fill out all the corresponding information on the sampling data sheet or in the logbook, and return all the samples completely frozen. Thank you very much.